Hey guys, welcome back to another video of 3 derivatives. In this video, I'm going to be focusing on the quotient rule. So the quotient derivative rule just states that when you have a function f of x divided by another function g of x, the derivative of that is equal to g of x times f prime of x subtract f of x times g prime of x, all divided by g of x squared. So let's show this over here. So we have this function x over x squared minus 1. So we start with the g of x up here, and then we multiply by the derivative of f of x, which is just 1, because the derivative of x is always 1. Then we subtract f of x. Then you take the derivative of g of x, which is this bond term, which is 2x, because from power rule you take down the degree, subtract 1, and derivative of a constant is always 0. Now you have this all over x squared minus 1 squared, or g of x squared. When you simplify this, you get x squared minus 1 minus 2x squared, because you go over here and that turns into an x squared. So you should be left off with x squared minus 1 divided by x squared minus 1 squared for your final answer. Okay, for this next one, we basically do the same thing. So g of x is at the bottom, so you start with x times cosine of x, because the derivative of sine of x is equal to cosine of x. Then you subtract sine of x, because that's f of x on top, multiply by the derivative of g of x, which is just times 1, all divided by x squared, which is just the same thing as x cosine x minus sine x all over x squared. And for this last one, we have the derivative of tangent x, but this is the same thing as taking the derivative of sine x over cosine x. So we start with cosine x on top, then we take the derivative of f of x cosine x, then you subtract sine of x, multiply by the derivative of cosine x, which is negative sine x, all over cosine squared x. When you simplify, you get cosine squared x plus sine squared x, because the two negative signs turn it into a positive. And using the Pythagorean trigonometric identity, cosine squared x plus sine squared x is equal to 1. So you're going to be left off with 1 over cosine squared x, or secant squared x. Hope you enjoyed.